How you doing, guys? This is BullTradeFinder. Okay, so I'm gonna go over my scanner again. This is a new scanner I've been doing. This is the one that I've been doing very well on. I've doubled my account with it. So let's go over it. I'm gonna do all. So you want current volume over 0. Want price under 10. Anything under 10 is a good size in my opinion, so you could buy some shares. Let's see. RSI oversold 40. Relative volume 0.25 over 0.25. Okay, now we have 318. So we want to lower that. What was it? So what we're going to do now is earnings. Where did it go? There it goes. Next 5 days. It's going to cut it down. There we go to 23. Okay. Now, I believe I actually did have this over 0.5. Okay, let's see. I just deleted my scanner. I just did have CRTN as well up there. Okay, well anyway, so going off of this, so just by looking at this, and we want to have shares floating ascending, so we could see the lowest amount of shares going from up to down. So we have Inspire, then you want to hover over the charts, because not all these 23 plays are going to be good. You're only going to find maybe 3 to 5 that have value on them. So Inspire, you could see a little bottom being supported there at 0.90. That may be something to look at. Let's see. Atos maybe. SRAX maybe. ADPT maybe. This one's a good one. Maybe look at that. But make sure these didn't already report earnings, because that can happen. They show up here and they already reported. Let's see something. Unsure why. Let me just see if something pops up. I want to see why I got rid of my old scanner. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I had the micro under 300 mil. That was my only missing part. So obviously the same things except 2 extra ones. The one I like a lot is CRTN, strong bottom at 1, SRAX, strong bottom at 2. It was, I believe, 210, 2, something around there. Then we had, let's see, where was it? This one, strong bottom at 4. Inspire, 0.90. So you also got to look at the charts. This one I liked, but I do not like how it is a China company, and also that it doesn't, I looked at their financials and it wasn't good at all. You also want to look at their financials. Make sure you're actually buying something that may run up and may actually be good ER-wise. So yeah, this is a nice scanner. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, looking good. I also tried playing around with a bottom scanner. Let's see if this... I haven't really tested it yet, but I've done some plays on it. Let me think about it again. Okay. So 50-day. Taking off the earnings. Okay. So here we got more plays. This is something I like a lot. At the 3 bottom. Also has an offering closing tomorrow. Something to watch. This one has an offering coming. Low volume stock. Something to watch around 2. After that volume is done. I mean the offering is set up. Let's see. Watch this one for support at 2. Nice support here at 950. Watch this one for 310 support. If you look across the chart, you see it also has support at 310 from before, months ago. Watch this for find a bottom. This one maybe. Let's see. Just by looking at the charts, you can find bottoms right here. AVGR. Looking at that. Let me check into this one. Alright, nice float, nice short float percentage. Around a 1.55, 1.60 bottom. Buy recommendation. Let's see. Nice institution percentage owned. 12% bought in the last month or two. It's under average volume, so that's something I don't like. But just doing the scanners that I just showed up could be good. Let's see. Let me go back. I like playing these ER plays. I'm an ER guy. I usually like to hold through them, but sometimes I don't do that. Like, for example, IZEA today, called that from 320 and 303, and that ran up to 438. And I sold before the earnings because I was already up so much I didn't really need to hold through. So just plays like that. There's no need to hold through an earnings if you already know. I mean, if you already made so much profit on it, as well as you don't need to take that risk anymore. Even though I did do a lot of D&D on it, and it was a good play. So I'm liking this one a lot, CRTN. I'm currently in it, swinging it overnight. Earnings report tomorrow. IDXG, I'm actually liking this one too, around a 240 bottom. Something to watch there. ATOS, look for that 1 or 1.05. I do like this one, but other than the financials, I don't like it. So maybe you could watch it. Give it a try. Maybe just put it on the watch and see if it actually does go. Inspire, watch here. Talked about this one earlier in the chat room. Look for a 0.90 to 0.95 buy-in, and look for over 1 sell. I'll go over this one again. Look for a $2 to $2.10 buy-in, and ER I believe is March 30th aftermarket. Yes, March 30th aftermarket. So something to look into. I might actually play this one tomorrow after I sell CRTN. ADBT, a little risky here. They're in a lot of debt, so don't really want to hold that through earnings. May not move up. This one's been a mover. I'll watch this one, and SNAK. I just did a little scanner video if you guys got any questions. You could get rich on CRTN, never know. So yeah, called this one. I made 800 on it, 750 right here. So thanks for watching, guys. Follow me on StockTwits at BullTradeFinder right here. Also, make sure to subscribe on here for new videos. And definitely try out our chat room at BullTradeFinder.net. And use 10% off if you do enjoy our free trial. You can use 10% off to get 10% off. Thanks, guys. Have a good one and enjoy.